Hello students, this is me Abhijit sir and welcome to another class. So let's start learning. Hello students, today we will learn about solid shapes. Solid shapes are the shapes we can see around us like boxes, ball, container, etc. They are called solid shapes. Last class we have learned about the shapes were flat or 2D shapes. They only has a flat surface. Remember? Rectangle, square, circle. Yes. Today we will learn about solid shapes. Let's see this picture. This is a box looking thing, right? Consider if it is a box, then it has some faces like this one, this one, this one, this one. These are the flat shapes what we have learned in the previous class. These are looking like squares, right students? Yes. So these flat surfaces are called face here. See? Now see, this is a face and this is a face. They are meeting in a line, right? Where two faces meet, this is called the edge of a solid shape. And see, where all the edges are meeting, this edge, this edge, this edge, they are meeting in a corner. You can see a box has a corners. These corners are called vertex. Yes. So a solid shape has face, means the flat surface, edges where the flat surfaces meet, and vertex where the edges meets. Okay students? Now see, the face of a solid shape is a flat surface. We have learned already. An edge is where the two sides of a object meet. Sides means these faces. And the vertex is the corner of the object. You have learned it? Very good. Now come to the solid shape. First of all, cube. Cube is made up of squares. Yes. These flat surfaces are looking like a square. So 1 square, 2 square, 3 square in the behind, in the back side of the box, 4 number square in this side, 5th square, and in the base we have 6th square. So 6 squares joins together to make a cube. So a cube has 6 faces, 8 vertices, means vertices. A single corner is called vertex, and the plural corner, when we are talking about more than one corner, they will be called as vertices. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So this box or this cube has 8 vertices and 12 edges, means 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 edges in the top. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 edges in the base, and 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 edges in the sides. So 12 edges are there. See some example. Have you played Ludo? Yes, you have probably seen dice like this. These dice are actually cubes. And this is a Rubik's Cube. This is a fun puzzle. We all love to solve Rubik's Cube, right students? Okay. Now, next we will talk about cuboid. This is also a solid shape, but this solid shape has made by rectangle. Previously, these were made by squares and these were made by rectangles. See, this is also same like this square, but it has some difference. It is a rectangular shape, so it also has the same properties. 6 faces, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8 vertices. Obviously, one corner, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, and eighth. So 8 vertices and 12 edges, just like the cube, but it has rectangular shape. Means it has one long side and one short side. These shapes are called cuboid. See, example is your book, a box, your pencil box, or even your room can be a cuboid. Okay. Here some activities are given. You can make a cuboid or cube. We will talk about it later. Now come to the third one. This is a cone. Have you seen any birthday cap? Yes, this is a birthday cap. So this birthday cap looks like a cone. Yes, a cone has a curved surface. These are not edges, students. This is a curved surface all around. This curved surface has a point in the top, right? And in the base there is a circle. It is looking like different, but it is a circle. Take out a birthday cap or cornetto ice cream. Yes, students, cornetto ice cream, the cone is there. Find out, you will have fun. Okay, so cone has one curved surface and one circular surface, flat. This is a curved surface and this is a flat circular surface. Okay, students, next one is a sphere. Sphere means nothing like a ball. It has no edges, no corners. Remember circle? Circle also had no edges, no corners. This ball is same like that. This ball is made up of only one curved surface. There is no vertices, no edges, no flat surfaces. Okay? See, this is a globe. It is also a sphere. Ball is also a sphere. Cricket ball, tennis ball, anything you can see around you, it's looking like a ball, is a sphere. Okay? So, next one is a cylinder. See, this is a cylinder. This has 1 and 2 flat surface, just like a circle. One circle and second circle. These circles made its flat surface, this side and this side. And these two circles are joined by a curved surface. Like cone, you have seen cone has one meeting point. But this curved surface is not meet anywhere. This curved surface has joined by two circles. So this shape is a cylinder. So cylinder has one curved surface and two flat surfaces. An example of cylinder? Obviously a cylinder. Have you seen any gas cylinder? Go to your kitchen and look for it. A candle is also a cylindrical shape. Your water bottle can be a cylindrical shape, right? Do you have tube in your room? That tube is also a cylindrical shape, like a pipe. Water pipes are also cylindrical shapes. So these are all the solid shapes you can look around you. So take the solid shapes and cross out the plane shapes. Can you do it, students? I am telling you. See, this is a flat surface. This is a solid shape. This is also a solid shape. This is flat. This is looking like a ball. So this is a solid shape. This is a flat surface. This is a flat. This is a brick looking. This is also a solid shape. And this is a box. This is also a solid shape. Just try to do it in your home. Okay, students? Bye-bye.